warning in effect until 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday. Winter storm warning is canceled. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a wind chill warning, which is in effect until 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday. The winter storm warning has been canceled. Timing through Wednesday morning. Winds southwest 20 to 25 miles per hour with gusts to 35 miles per hour, diminishing some tonight into Wednesday morning. Impacts: it will take only a few minutes to get frostbite on exposed skin. Blowing snow could quickly cover roads along with scattered snow showers. Temperatures gradually rising to near or just above zero today. A couple degrees drop this evening, then slowly warm into Wednesday. Wind chill readings: extremely dangerous wind chill values from 30 to 40 degrees below zero at times into tonight, with gradual improvement late tonight through Wednesday morning. A wind chill warning is issued when a strong wind will combine with cold temperatures to create dangerously cold conditions for exposed skin. The wind will make it feel like it is 25 degrees below zero or colder for several hours. Those planning to venture outdoors should use common sense and dress warmly. Winter weather message.